In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to withdraw from your Charles Schwab account to your local bank account. First, I will be showing you how to link your external bank account. So with that said, let's get right into it. So within the app or the website, you want to look for Move Money. You're going to select Online Transfer, and then you're going to select Link or Delete an external account. Select Continue, and here you're going to add your bank account. So you can see that my Wise account is already linked. So in your case, you're going to select Add Account. Now from the drop down, you're going to select the Charles Schwab account that you want to link to your external bank account, and then you're going to select Continue. Here, select Continue. Select your bank account type, whether it be checking or savings. Are you the account holder? Basically, select Yes. So on this page, you're going to enter your routing number, your accounting number, confirm your account number, and a nickname for the account, right? Now, once you enter this account number, if Charles Schwab doesn't verify it instantly, right, they're going to send you to deposit. When they do send those to deposit within 3 business days, you're going to follow the exact steps that I just did and come back to this page and enter the deposit, and then your account will be successfully linked. So here I am going to step back again to Online Transfer to show you how you withdraw money from your account. So now when you're on Online Transfer, you're going to select Cash Only. Now from you're going to select the Charles Schwab account that you want to withdraw from. Then 2, you're going to select the account that you just linked. Enter the amount that you want to withdraw, say $10. Here, you're going to set up your frequency and your transfer date. Then you're going to select Continue, and then you select Submit, and that's it. So within 1 to 3 business days, the money will be deposited to your bank account. However, I do not want to withdraw any money now, so I am not going to hit Submit. So once you complete these steps, you'll be able to successfully withdraw money to your bank account.